Hello students. Today we will see exercises. Let us open page 73. Number 1. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous form of the verb given in the brackets. Means here the verbs are given in the bracket, and to change in present continuous tense we have to put ing. So let us see A. The girls are painting the wall. Here we have added ing. So the word became painting. And here girls. Girls come in plural. So the helping verb is also plural. B. The boys are flying kites. Here also we have added ing. So the word became flying, and boys. It comes in plural. So the helping verb is also plural. C. The cows are grazing in the green pastures. Here we added ing. We have removed e. So the word became grazing. Cows. It comes in plural. So the helping verb is also plural. D. The teacher is teaching English grammar. Here in teach we added ing. So the word became teaching. Teacher. Only one teacher means singular. So the helping verb is in singular. Next page we will see page 74. E. The peon is ringing the bell. Here in ring we have added ing, so the word became ringing. Peon. Only one peon means singular. So the helping verb is also in singular. F. My mother is reading a book. Here in read we have added ing, the word became reading. Mother. Only one mother means singular. So the helping verb is also singular. G. Dad is watering the plants. We have added ing, so the word became watering. Dad. It is in singular. So the helping verb is also in singular. H. Sushant is getting ready for office. Here we have learnt when in the verb at the end consonant is there and before it vowel is there. So the word consonant we have to double it. So here we have written double T and then we have added ing. The word became getting. Susant. It is in singular. So the helping verb is also singular. I. Raju is playing tennis. Here we added ing. The word became playing. Raju. Singular. So the helping verb is also singular. J. Abha is talking to Monica. We have added ing. So the word became talking. Abha. It is also in singular. So helping verb is also in singular. K. We are celebrating the 50th wedding anniversary of our grandparents. Here in celebrate we have added ing. So the word became celebrating. And we have removed e. We. It comes in plural. So the helping verb is also in plural. L. Nupur and Puranjay are sailing to Andaman next week. Here we have added ing, so the word became sailing. Here we are speaking about two person, means it comes in plural. So the helping verb is also in plural. M. The population of India is increasing rapidly. Here we removed e and added ing. So the word became increasing. India. India, it is coming in singular. Means only we are speaking about one state. So the helping verb is also in singular. Next we will see number 2. Rewrite the following sentences in present continuous tense. Here we have to rewrite the sentences in present continuous tense. A. My brother works in a bank. It is in simple present tense. So we have to change the sentence is in present continuous tense. So the answer is my brother is working in a bank. B. Mrs. Thukral teaches Sanskrit to the students. Answer. Mrs. Thukral is teaching Sanskrit to the students. C. Martha and Helen play with snow. Answer. Martha and Helen are playing with snow. D. Meera and Bholi sing in the school choir. Answer. Meera and Bholi are singing in the school choir. E. Kabir paints beautifully. Answer. Kabir is painting beautifully. F. Mr. Madan goes for a walk with his dog. Answer. Mr. Madan is going for a walk with his dog. G. We use recycled paper to make bags. Answer. We are using recycled paper to make make bags. H. The Prime Minister plants trees at the Yamuna Ghat. Answer. The Prime Minister is planting trees at the Yamuna Ghat. So students, this also we have completed. Next page, page 75. Students, I have given you exercise 3 in homework. Here what you have to do, rewrite the following as interrogative sentences. Here the sentences are given, you have to change in interrogative sentences. A and B I have done for you. By looking at this, you can complete the rest. So let us see how you have to do. A. Dr. Kala is examining the patients. Here, to change in interrogative sentence, we have to write first helping verb. Here is. So, we have to write first is, then subject. Dr. Kala. Then rest complements. So, the answer will be, is Dr. Kala examining the patients? Next, B. Ridhima and Jyoti are visiting us tomorrow. Here, we change in interrogative sentence. In this sentence, here are helping verb. So, first we have to write are. Then, Ridhima and Jyoti. Then the complements. So, the whole sentence is, are Ridhima and Jyoti visiting us tomorrow? So, students, I think you can do it by yourself. Just look at this what I have done and complete the rest. Here we end our class. Thank you.